All right, guys, so today we are going to be cleaning out our engine bay. As you can see how dirty it is. We got grime everywhere. We'll get it nice and clean. So the products we'll be using today are all from Chemical Guys. We got our wax and oil remover. We got our all-purpose cleaner. And then we got our undercarriage protectant. This adds shine. We got some large Q-tips to kind of get down in our cracks where we can't reach. So let's get right into it. So we'll start with the wax and oil remover. All right, now I'm gonna switch to the all-purpose cleaner. There. Just put it on there. Kind of get up inside here. So now I'm going to get back in here Wipe all of that down. Get the back ends of the strap bar. I'm going to wipe this off, all back in here. I'm going to wipe this off. We get back in here. I'm going to wipe off the manifold, get it nice and shiny. Right now it don't look too bad, but we'll make it look a little bit better. I'm going to wipe off all of this part here, get it nice and shiny. Do the upper part up here. It's going to look real good when we're done. So right now you can see the engine covers, how good they're looking. We haven't even put shine on those yet. Wow. This side is just about done. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Got a little bit of shine to it. So next we're going to do the manifold and then work our way towards the other side. All right, guys, so this is the cleaned engine bay. Look at that. Cleaned the manifold, cleaned the half covers, got the strut bar clean, even wiped down the catch can. Looks a lot better now. I'm really liking how the paint's holding up with these half covers. Go check out the video on that. Holding up real nice. One thing, I think I'm gonna put a little clamp on here. I think I'll do that just to be, even though I know it's on there, but I'll probably put a little clamp on that. But look at this engine bay, that's a big difference. We got back in the cracks back there. Got back there on the strut bar. I mean, and the main thing is, we didn't have to take it to a detail shop and they just spray it all down with a pressure washer, potentially damaging parts. We just did a nice clean, all the surface parts, made it look real good. We cleaned the surface up here as well. Nothing too crazy, but it looks a lot better. And that was the first clean since last summer. So all winter it was dirty, but it looks a whole lot better. It actually looks presentable now. In the meantime, that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next one. Alexsrtlife signing off.